Let's learn ukulele with me. I'm gonna try the... What song is it ba? Night Changes. Night Changes. Ukulele for... Wow. Gonna go with this one. Okay. Down, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up. Down. That's the jamming pattern. Oh my God! It's so annoying! Hindi siya nag-stop siya from shooting, bro. I already said a lot of things. Oh my God. Nakakainis. So annoying, hard. Oh my God. So, what I did was, I tried to learn night changes in my ukulele. Nakakainis. Then, sorry about the sound because someone messaged me on Kuya's laptop. So, I tried learning like... Oh my God, wait. Okay. I tried learning night changes and I didn't do well. Sorry for the voices. Yeah, hindi ako magaling. Hindi ako marunong.
Nasaan na si Kuya?
Okay,
Lumabas na sa kwarto niya?
Wait. It's okay, pero okay lang naman siya. Okay lang, carry lang. Oh yeah, kailangan ko pa rin practice talaga. I need it. Because I've been only doing like... And this ukulele is from Heartstring. It's 1,000 plus only on the Black app. Yeah, and this only like I had this when like nung Sunday. Then I wasn't able to use it pa kasi I needed to tune it. I didn't know how. So nag-tune ako nung Monday. Then I tried learning na. Then today I'm trying to learn night changes. But I can do na wise man says. Yung unti lang. A little bit lang. Yan. Wise man say.
Ano na ka? Tapos ng punta? Isipan?
Can't help falling in love with you. Yun lang. Sorry about the background noise because I'm with a video call with my mom. Yeah, because she just called me. Yeah, and that's it. Nakakainis talaga. Tagal nun. Okay, so I'm not gonna edit this one up kasi tinatamad ako. So, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can watch my new videos. And, edit ko ba siya? Para tinatamad ako masyado. Yeah. So, bye.